Hello everyone, welcome back to Shwetopedia. So this is my first YouTube video of my first YouTube series, Few Minutes with Shwetopedia. So to know more about Few Minutes with Shwetopedia, you have to keep watching. And if you are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to make no maida, no yeast, multigrain homemade pizza. So let's get started. So today we are going to make 4 pizzas. For dough, I'm going to take 3 cups of multigrain flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, which is completely optional, 2 teaspoon of fresh curd, and half a teaspoon of baking powder plus 2-3 pinch of baking soda. Mix everything well. Add water as required. And make a soft dough. Add 1 teaspoon of refined oil and grease it and rest aside for 30 to 45 minutes. For pizza sauce, we are taking 4 to 5 big spoon of tomato ketchup, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, and sprinkling black pepper. Mix everything together. Coat paneer with corn flour, salt and red chili powder, shallow fry paneer, onions, red bell pepper, capsicum, yellow bell pepper, few chilies and fresh basil. Grease and brush the plate with oil. Take dough roll, grease it with oil and make pizza base. Make sure it is not too thin. Make holes using fork. Coat pizza base with our pizza sauce, which we made few minutes back. Add toppings. You can pick any of your favorite veg or non-veg toppings. Cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. Preheat microwave for 30 seconds. Oven setting I've used is baking and I'm keeping it for 6 minutes. I'm just gonna check whether it is done or not, and yeah, it's done. If you're gonna make it, then do tag me on Instagram. It's shwet.opedia. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's shwet.opedia. So we'll meet soon on my next video. Bye bye.